What's going on, everybody? Everything credit here. So I'm going to show just a few results up here on the screen throughout this very short video. But I wanted to talk about Credit Karma. As you all know, I like Credit Karma just for the updates that it shows. But I wanted to make something very clear for those of you that don't understand how Credit Karma works. So if you log into your Credit Karma, today's April 8th. So let's say something was deleted and it says between April 7th and April 8th, Capital One was deleted from your credit report. That does not mean it was a 24-hour dispute that you just disputed and it got removed. That's just the time frame that it reported and shows that it was deleted from your credit report. Another good example, if something was deleted on and it says between April 1st and April 8th, Credit One was deleted. Notice I'm using those same accounts too. So it does not mean that the account was disputed and deleted in 7 days. These are some of the tricks that these scammers out here want you to think. Those dates have nothing to do with the amount of time it took to get the account deleted. That's just showing you when the account was actually deleted from that bureau. Between this day and this day, that's when it was deleted, and that's when your credit file changed. Has nothing to do with how you disputed something. So I just wanted to make that clear with y'all. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I hope everybody has a great Easter Sunday.